Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. If you're looking for a 100% working method to install eSign on your iOS device without revokes, without jailbreak, and without a PC, you're in the right place. This method works on all iOS versions, including the latest iOS 18 and beyond. Before we start, there's a huge giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end to find out how you can win a 1-year paid certificate for free. Now let's get into it. If you're tired of revokes and app crashes, iOS Boom offers affordable paid certificates that keep your app signed and running without any issues. It's the best and most reliable solution out there right now. Let's walk through the steps to install eSign safely without revoke. Open Safari and go to the iOS Boom website. Link will be in the description. Then simply log in with your email, and then simply buy the paid certificate for your iPhone or iPad. Once you paid, now you will get your paid certificate. The certificate comes with mobile provision file and P12 file, and the password as well. Simply save them in your iOS device. Once you have your paid certificate, now open Safari and download eSign IPA file from iOS Boom website. I will put the link in the description. Once it's downloaded, now open the IPA Signer iOS Boom website. I will put the link also in the description. Then hit on click to upload, and then select the eSign IPA file. Now hit on click to upload on P12 file, and then select the P12 file from your paid certificate. Then hit on click on upload on mobile provision file, and then select the mobile provision file from your paid certificate folder. Now enter the paid certificate password, and then hit on sign IPA. Then hit on install app, and then hit on install now. Then simply hit install to install eSign in your iPhone or iPad. And here's the exciting part. I'm giving away 10 paid 1-year certificates for 10 lucky winners, thanks to iOS Boom. To enter the giveaway, it's super simple. Subscribe to my backup channel. Link is in the description, like any video on that channel. Comment either iPhone certificate or iPad certificate on any video. Winners will be announced on the 17th of August. So make sure you don't miss this chance. And that's how you get eSign on your iPhone or iPad, easily and without worrying. If this video helped you out, give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome iOS content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.